This store is relatively new, just 7 months old, and it has already generated over $150,000 in total revenue. But it's not the only one. There are several other stores making significant amounts of money as well: $66,000, $45,000, $19,000, and more. All of these stores are selling a trending product that hasn't been talked about on YouTube. In today's video, I will reveal this product, guide you through launching a similar business, and show you how to use AI to outperform your competitors and stand out. Let's get right to the point. The product in question is a drinking tumbler, and it's currently experiencing great success with various designs and shapes. For instance, if we examine one of these stores, we can see that it specializes in selling tumblers exclusively. They focus on offering different niche-specific tumbler designs. Essentially, they are selling PNG images with specific designs on them. Despite the low prices, they are making substantial profits, evident from the high number of daily reviews they receive. I have also used a tool called Allura to gather more information about the store. As per the data, the store was launched in September 2022, approximately 7 months ago, and has already generated over $100,000 in revenue, which is remarkable for such a short time. Looking at the monthly stats, they are making around $20,000 per month, which is equally impressive. One of their listings alone generates about $3,000 per month and has accumulated over $6,000 in total revenue. They have uploaded over 1,300 listings, which explains their success. This is not the only store, there are others making equally astonishing numbers. Now, you might be wondering how you can make money with this product. Well, there are two possible ways. The first method involves selling physical tumblers, while the second method entails selling digital designs, similar to the store we previously discussed. Both methods are currently popular, so regardless of your choice, there is potential to earn money. I will cover both methods, so no need to worry. Let's start with selling physical tumblers. To sell physical tumblers, you need to create a design and upload it to a print-on-demand platform like Printify, which will handle order fulfillment and shipping directly to your customers. Here's a detailed explanation of the process. Firstly, you need to open an Etsy store if you don't already have one. Opening an Etsy store is free, but listing a product costs 20 cents. After opening your Etsy store, head over to printify.com and sign up for a free account. From there, you can connect your Etsy store by clicking on Add New Store and signing into your Etsy account. If Etsy is not available in your area, you can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which can also be connected to Printify. Once you have completed these steps, you can start creating the product design using a tool called Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI image generator that allows you to generate custom images based on text prompts. To use Midjourney, you need to create a free Discord account and then visit midjourney.com to join the beta. To use the generated images commercially, you will need a paid subscription. For beginners, the 10-plan subscription will suffice. With Midjourney, you can describe the image you want to create by typing a prompt. You can also choose the image style, such as watercolor, cartoon, hand-drawn, etc. Since you're creating tumbler designs, you'll need to ensure that the image generated has a wider aspect ratio, such as 16:9, instead of the typical square shape. You can achieve this by specifying the aspect ratio in the prompt, using the command AR16:9. By using descriptive keywords, choosing the right image style, and adjusting the aspect ratio, you can generate attractive and unique tumbler designs. However, there are more advanced techniques for generating images in Midjourney. To learn about these techniques and get the best results, you can refer to the Midjourney Prompts Guide, which offers pre-written prompts with various styles and techniques. It serves as a valuable resource for creating standout designs. Once you have generated the design, you can proceed to the final step, which is listing your product. The process is the same whether you're selling t-shirts, mugs, posters, or tumblers. You'll go to Printify, select the tumbler product you want to sell, and choose a print provider. In this case, there may be only one option available. You'll then upload the design you created in Midjourney and ensure that it fits the print area. Additionally, you can add text or customize the design further. After previewing the end product, you can save and publish your listing on Etsy. When an order is placed by a customer, it will be automatically sent to Printify. They will handle the printing, packaging, and shipping process on your behalf, ensuring a smooth experience for your customers. Let's say you receive an order worth $30. You can go to Printify, place the order for $15, covering the production cost, and Printify will ship the tumbler directly to your customer. This way, you make a $15 profit without the need to handle printing, shipping, or inventory management. That was the first method, which involves selling physical tumblers. Now, let's move on to the second method, selling tumbler designs as digital products. The process is similar, but instead of creating physical products, you'll be selling digital files. For example, if you want to sell a bundle of 5 different tumbler designs, you'll start by creating the designs using Midjourney. Once you have the designs ready, upload them to a Google Drive or Dropbox folder. Your goal is to redirect customers to this folder after they make a purchase, so they can access the digital files. To achieve this, you can use canva.com to create a simple PDF page. On this page, include a button that leads customers to the folder where the designs are stored. Once you have created the PDF, head to Etsy to create a new listing. Provide the necessary product information, such as title, description, and price. Importantly, set the product type as digital and attach the PDF file you created. This ensures that when a customer buys the product, they will receive the PDF file containing the button that directs them to the designated folder. After completing the listing, publish it on Etsy, and you're ready to go. Remember that regardless of the method you choose, success will require time, effort, and dedication. Making $100,000 in 7 months may not be typical, but it demonstrates the potential to earn money online if you work hard and take your endeavors seriously. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer.